So here's a question for you. If I spray a little glass cleaner, or maybe spray a little Glade, or, oh, WD-40, love this stuff. How about that? Whoa, spray a little WD-40. I love the smell of WD-40. It's the smell of victory over friction. Good stuff. Well, if I spray that stuff around, am I destroying the ozone layer? That's really a good question. And it really depends on when you ask the question. If you ask this question in the 1970s or maybe the early 1980s, the answer would probably be yes, because the propellants that we were using in products like hairspray and Glade and glass cleaner and WD-40 was a chlorofluorocarbon. And chlorofluorocarbons slowly, or in some cases very rapidly, destroy and eat away at the ozone layer. And that's really not good, because the ozone layer is what protects us from gamma ray radiation or cosmic rays from outer space. And as gamma rays come in from outer space, they would hit ozone, and the ozone would, in the stratosphere, would absorb that radiation and absorb that radiation. And without it, of course, we wouldn't be around. We'd all have horrible diseases like cancer and would basically be fried, and that would be a very ungood thing. So in the 1980s, countries started banning CFCs in containers or in products such as glass cleaners and hairsprays and paint and things like that. And we reformulated what we were putting into air conditioners and refrigeration products. And without that freon and chlorofluorocarbons coming up from up to the troposphere, or the layer of atmosphere that has weather, and going up into the stratosphere, eroding the ozone layer from underneath up in the stratosphere, the ozone layer is actually starting to heal itself. And NASA says things are looking pretty good, that the ozone layer is getting thicker, and that's very good for places like Antarctica and Australia, and basically for the whole planet. So here's another question for you. So I would like to say we almost have solved the problem of the thinning ozone layer, working together as a planet. Could we use that model for global warming and greenhouse gases and CO2? What do you think?